Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own DIY, do-it-yourself homemade lip and body scrub. So basically in this video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step, and all of the ingredients that I use today are things that you can find in your home. So it's not going to be super expensive, and it's just ingredients that you should be able to find around your house, so it's very affordable. Also, I got both of these ingredients from Pinterest. So I'm going to be leaving all the measurements and all that stuff in the description box below. So if you guys want to see how to make your own lip scrub and your own body scrub, then keep watching. So for the lip scrub, the 3 ingredients you're going to need is sugar, honey, and almond oil. For the body scrub, the ingredients you're going to need are sugar, grapeseed oil, vanilla, and peppermint essential oil.